Nonro yango ni chilo medore e pi mar Nam Lolwe ahinya te alwora ma bombe mokiewo kod nam kaka Kisumu, Mwanza, Kampala kaachiel gi Entebbe, gino makoro kelo luoro ewi ngima oganda kod lee mag pi e alwora ma Nam Lolwe. Nonro ni otim kod komishon mar riwruok bad Nam Lolwe kod riwruok mar piny Jerman. Lipot yango ni sani rech odar kendo dok e chuny nam ka gitemo manyo mura maler magiweyo gino mamiyo jolupo bende yudo tich matek. Jolony mawuok e piny Kenya, Uganda kaachiel gi Tanzania ochiwo kwayo ni dwaro nitiere mar bedo kod romo mapiyo mar konyo duoko nyadhi mar pi Nam Lolwe kod ngima mag dhano kod rech ahinya to ne tienge mabiro nyime.
So these areas which receive a lot of nutrients from the catchment are most fertile for the algal growth. And that's why we see the algal blooms, the green color, which is an indicator of bad water quality. The water is supposed to have some green algae, which is good for the fish, which is good for the aquatic life. But when it gets a lot of excess of nutrients, then we have the growth of algal blooms.
We have observed increase in terms of sediments. You find that especially in the Winam Gulf, the turbidity, we call it turbidity. The water is becoming more turbid. It has a lot of dissolved sediments which comes from the catchment due to erosion. We are partnering with the Victoria Basin Commission and the East African community in general on supporting enhancing water resources management. To be specific on this particular exercise, is we are trying to see how we can enhance horizontal cooperation between LVPC and the partner states, but also other key stakeholders within the basin.